all-new 2026 Audi Q7, a luxury SUV that doesn't just move you, it commands the road. With stunning new design updates, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology, Audi takes the premium SUV game to a whole new level. If you're looking for a vehicle that blends elegance, performance, and family practicality, stick around, because the Q7 might just be your dream SUV. Exterior Walkaround the 2026 Audi Q7 showcases a refined yet commanding design. Front, you're greeted with Audi's bold single-frame grille, now even wider and flanked by sharp matrix LED headlights with sleek daytime running lights. The aggressive stance gives off confidence, while the fine chrome accents speak luxury. Move to the side, and you'll notice the elegant body lines, 21-inch alloy wheels, and body-color door handles that blend seamlessly with the new S-Line. TRIM enhancements. The shoulder line is clean and dynamic, giving the Q7 a sporty yet elegant profile. Around back. The redesigned LED tail lights stretch across the tailgate, now with dynamic turn indicators. Dual chrome exhaust tips add a hint of sportiness, while the hands-free power liftgate adds convenience. Audi offers the Q7 in multiple premium finishes, including Glacier White Metallic, Mythos Black, and Navarra Blue, all showcasing flawless German build quality. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Q7 gives you multiple powertrain options. The standard model comes with a 3.0-liter V6 turbocharged engine with mild hybrid technology, pushing out 335 horsepower and 369 pounds-ft of torque. If you're craving more muscle, the SQ7 variant features a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing a thrilling 500 horsepower, launching it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. All models come with Quattro all-wheel drive and an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts and superior grip across terrains. With multiple driving modes, comfort, dynamic, off-road, and individual, the Q7 adjusts its suspension, steering, and throttle response to match your mood. The adaptive air suspension makes for a floaty, luxurious ride even over rough roads. Interior tour. Step inside the Q7 and you'll instantly feel the Audi craftsmanship. The cabin is wrapped in Volcano leather upholstery with brushed aluminum or open-pore wood trim. Depending on the trim level. The dashboard is minimalist and futuristic, dominated by dual MMI touchscreens, a 10.1-inch for infotainment, and an 8.6-inch for climate controls. The 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit gives you a fully digital, customizable driver display. Seats are both heated and ventilated, with 14-way power adjustment and optional massage functions in the front. Second row legroom is generous, and the third row is suitable for kids or shorter adults. The panoramic dual-pane sunroof for zone climate control and ambient lighting create a cabin that feels more like a premium lounge. Technology and features. Audi never skimps on tech. The Q7 offers full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless of course, along with Amazon Alexa integration. The available Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system delivers theater-like audio quality. You also get wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, a head-up display, and smart key access with remote start. In terms of safety, the Q7 is equipped with Audi Presense, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a 360-degree camera, automatic, emergency braking, and even traffic jam assist for semi-autonomous driving in slow traffic. Fuel economy per EV range. The standard V6 Q7 delivers around 19 mpg in the city and 24 on the highway. Respectable for a luxury 3-row SUV, fuel tank capacity is around 22.5 gallons, offering decent range for long road trips. Real-world fuel economy often comes very close to Audi's claimed figures, thanks to the mild hybrid system that aids in stop-start traffic. Price and variance. Pricing for the 2026 Audi Q7 starts at around $60,000 to $1,000 for the base premium trim, and can climb to $89,000 plus for the fully loaded Prestige or SQ7 variant. Here's a quick breakdown. Premium. Base luxury features * Premium Plus. More tech and driver assist features * Prestige. Heads-up display. Upgraded sound. Luxury package * SQ7. Sport-tuned V8 and performance styling * optional packages include the executive package, black optic package, and towing package, letting you tailor the Q7 to your needs. Pros and cons * Pros. Elegant exterior styling * Premium. Tech-loaded cabin * Smooth and powerful engine options * Excellent safety features * Cons. Third row is tight for adults * Price climbs fast with options * Touch heavy. Controls may not suit everyone * Final verdict * The 2026 Audi Q7 is a near-perfect premium SUV great for families, long road trips, or anyone who wants style and substance in one refined package. * If you're choosing between the BMW X5, Mercedes-Benz GLE, or Volvo XC90, the Q7 stands out with its tech-forward interior, legendary Quattro performance, and timeless Audi styling. * Is it worth it? Absolutely, especially if you value innovation, safety, and comfort without compromising on driving excitement. *OUTR optional visual CTA*. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Drop your thoughts about the 2026 Audi Q7 in the comments below. Would you pick this over a GLE or X5? See you in the next video.